How to sell a used boom sprayer. When it comes to selling a used boom sprayer, the best place to do this is on Agrimag. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the tank and its general condition, detailing any leaks or degrading damage, the attachments that hold the boom arms to the tank, the pipes, being sure to list if they're leaking and if they still maintain adequate pressure, the nozzles and the degree to which they function and spray liquid properly, the capacity of the tank and its various applications, and finally, the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to a potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on Agrimag. Visit agrimag.coza, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.